Good morning, y'all. Feeling really tired of sleeping in this car, bro. Look at I got a towel wrapped around my neck. This is getting like painful slowly. It's only day 4 right now. We still got like 26 more to go. I've been messaging a bunch of couches. We might have like 2 or 3 lined up today. Plus we have to deal with this Honda Civic. We low-key got a lot to do, man. And once again, for the brushing teeth, I went and got ice water last night. Classic open door. Alright boys, so it is officially day 4. I'm up and at it. We brushed our teeth. My sleep last night wasn't terrible because again it was warm, so it was kind of alright, but it still isn't comfortable and everywhere on my body is sore. But we got this new Honda Civic flip. Let me tell you guys a little bit about it. So the Honda Civic runs and drives literally perfectly fine. There's not many issues that I can find mechanically. There's no lights on the dash, but as we can see here, this looks pretty damn bad. It's the paint that we're gonna need to fix on this car to add the value. Trunk, the roof, the hood. There is a little bit of rust down here as well, but that's not too big of a concern. It also appears that the brakes may need to be replaced, but other than that, it drives amazing. It's also a 5-speed manual, which is pretty cool, and it only has 220,000 kilometers on the dash. I believe for Americans, that's like 150,000 miles, and we went half and half, 500 with my buddy, so I think we'll be able to make at least 500 bucks to 1,000 bucks on this car. But anyways, for the rest of the day, we do have a couple couches to pick up potentially. I found a couple this morning, pop them up on the screen here. And we do have one for sure tonight that is free, so we're gonna have a stack up of couches and the Civic, so make some money. So to start off the day today, we're gonna be working on the Civic. I think we're gonna get some paint for it, some wet sand. We're gonna figure that out right now, so we're taking it to our buddy's shop, and it's a better place than here where we can work on the car. People usually complain here, so we're bringing it elsewhere, and let's see how much we can transform this car. I honestly think it'll be a decent flip, maybe like 500 to 1,000 bucks. Oh, I forgot to put my foot on the clutch, my bad. I was kind of scared there for a second. I was like, why isn't it even cranking? Forgot that it's a manual. I'm used to my automatic, man. I'm used to my GTR. All right, I just stalled the damn car. I low-key forgot what I'm doing. My bad, my bad. Sorry, Honda. Make some good sound on the first.
We'll just do this.
You think we should leave this? Yeah, just look at it. Peels off.
It's like small pieces.
How are we even gonna do this? Wet sand?
Yeah. Pretty cool. Bring the paint back.
No.
No?
I think so. That's like metal. That's just the color of metal. That's gray. I think we need some paint too. We'll have to go to the paint store, get some paint. Spray that stuff down. Here, we'll have to cover all this. It drives great. Everything else seems to be great. Might need some brakes for sure, but otherwise it's a good car. The way to get this car back to a $4,000, $5,000 car is just to paint it, really. Yeah, this door too. This here. I don't know if we're actually painting this today, but we do still have 2 couches to pick up today. One for free, one for 200 bucks. We're stacking up again. Update on the Civic. My buddy was a little bit busy this afternoon, so we're gonna be working on it together tomorrow. We're getting the paint and all that stuff, so we're gonna be dealing with that tomorrow. But tonight, we were supposed to have 2 couches we were picking up, but one guy I think was just trying to scam a deposit. He basically asked me to leave a deposit. I asked for his address. I said, I can't send a deposit. I'm not trying to get scammed. I said, what's your address? He put a thumbs up. I said, what's your address? He put a thumbs up and just hasn't answered. So I think he's just scamming. We do have one in another hour, so we're gonna go pick up a couch soon for free. We're getting this one for free, so that's awesome. So I think it'll be a free 100 to 200 bucks. All right. So it's 5 o'clock right now, and it's almost pitch black. 2 of the previous couches that we were supposed to get earlier today both flopped on us, so we do still have one more that we're gonna be grabbing. Unfortunately, you know, it is what it is. We're getting one tonight, and we're getting it for free. I think we can make like 200 bucks, so it's gonna be fire.
Damn, it's free.
This one's free. We had to hop a curb to get here. We're in an apartment building. Hopefully this one's not as difficult as yesterday's. What's going on there? Also, the couch we just got for free, it's in pretty good shape. I think this will be an easy 200 bucks.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna get this, take it back to the storage unit. Dude, you haven't seen the storage unit at night, bro. It's freaking terrifying.
Alright, but I can't see, bro. Can't see.
My bad. Is that fire or what? No, I'll sample some too. I test drove.
You white people are mad weird.
I test drank that stuff, and I didn't even buy it, man. I got my drink without having to buy it. Ain't that finesse in the city? At the storage unit right now, and look at all this bread, dude. We could literally take as much as we want. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. It's wrong to do, so we're not gonna do that. Let's get it. Let's get it. Beautiful. That's actually nice, dude. And we got some bread too. Dude, this is, how much do you guys think? Comment below how much you, whoa. You made a rookie mistake. Come here. Look at this. Rookie mistake right here. You have the side where the zipper is facing out. So you gotta make sure that it's not facing out because it looks bad for the... Look at that, dude. This is a beautiful couch. All right, guys, and we're taking our listing photos right here. It's not the greatest background, but it'll do for all our photos. Holy crap, man, that was a workout. We gotta fill this with couches soon. It's only day 4. So even though we didn't pick up those 3 couches, we did pick up 1, and I think we'll be able to get at least $200 from it. I think it'll be pretty good. So I've been messaging a ton all day trying to recover. I'm gonna message more tonight. But right now, I'm actually gonna hit the grocery store because I'm almost out of my chicken, cheese, and wraps tortilla. But I think we're gonna spice it up today. So let's head to the grocery store right now. So tonight, stay tuned because I'm gonna put you guys on the Domino's method. I'm kind of sick of eating the same thing, so we're gonna actually snag Domino's for free. I'm gonna show you guys how. Hopefully it works tonight. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. We'll see if tonight's our lucky night. We are going to hit the gym and shower as well. But first, we're gonna go to the grocery store, get some more food. We're gonna spice things up today. I think we're gonna get a little bit something different. Add a little touch to our boring wraps that we've been getting. Woo! It's so loud on a cold start, it's crazy. No, oh my god, there's one left. And it's 30%, yo, let's go. Dude, I was actually sad for a second. And it's 30% off, that's a bonus. All right, we're taking it, let's go. Definitely gonna get one of these snacks. I feel like this will be a good little snack here maybe. Look at all the choices we have. There's so many different sauces. Barbecue sauce, ooh. Oh, buffalo ranch. Ranch would low-key be fire. I don't know, man. I don't know, bro. I feel like this is gonna be fire, so let's get it. All right, boys, so we got a 30% off chicken. We got 2 more things of wraps. We got some crunchy dill of these are fire. And we got some honey mustard to try on our wraps today, so we're gonna try them. Try the wraps with the sauce, the honey mustard, let's see. Definitely worth the extra $2. All right, y'all, we're at the gym and I finally get to shower. I'm gonna show you guys what I get ready when I'm about to shower at the gym. All right, so I got all my stuff in the trunk here, my clothes, my bag. This has all my shower stuff in it. Clean underwear, clean socks. Ooh, it's a little bit damp. We got my bag with like soap and stuff. Let's make a dirty clothes pile. So the dirty clothes are just gonna go over there. All right, boys, so we just took a shower. I feel great again. We're going to edit this vlog now. I got a couple other stuff to film and edit tonight, so it's about 10 o'clock. We're gonna be there really late tonight, so. And then tonight, we're also gonna try the Domino's method. So it usually only works late at night, so we're gonna give it a try. All right, guys, I'm currently editing the YouTube video right now. I'm going to read some of the comments and reply to some of your guys' comments. I appreciate you guys commenting and watching every video. So every couple days, I'll probably reply to some comments. First one we got is by Ka3H. Bro, I've been watching a couple of your car flipping videos, and they're so entertaining and helpful. Make more, please. And what's your tips for someone like me saving for their first car flip? Have a bank account where all that money you put in that bank account is going towards a car and you are ready to lose it just in case. Obviously, you're not going to lose it. You're not going to lose the total value of the car, but you know, you have to take that initial risk. So I'd say set up a second bank account, savings account, whatever. Just have that money in there and slowly build it. Next one is from Keonra. You should low-key sleep inside the storage unit on the couch if you can. When we got the storage unit, the lady actually said there's no sleeping in there and made that clear. And she told us how she's actually caught other people sleeping in there. You instantly lose your storage unit. So we can't sleep in there, unfortunately. And I think we have to complete the challenge of staying in the GTR the whole time. Next comment is from No Shame Brian. Always flip cars, but never couches. Now I'm going to start. Thanks for posting these videos, brother. Need more people to start doing different things. Hey, I appreciate that, man. Keep on flipping. And yes, couches is pretty profitable. If you guys are looking to start couch flipping or car flipping, I am starting something that's going to help out a lot of people. It'll be in the link in the description. If you guys are interested, you can join up. Next comment is from Don't Ask, I Don't Know. Why don't you sleep in the Civic until it's up for sale? Well, the challenge is to sleep in the GTR. Now, I could sleep in the Civic. I'm sure it'd be a bit more comfortable, but it also does kind of smell in there right now, and we need to like spray some good chemicals and clean it up first because it is kind of gross right now. The last comment is from Ka3H. Again, are you actually homeless or just for content? I am not actually homeless, but I am 4 hours away from where I do live, so you could consider that homeless, but I do have a home to go back to if I needed to, but I'm set on completing this challenge. So you guys will see me for the next 30 days, regardless if you like it or not. And once again, thank you guys for commenting, liking, and watching the videos. It's really cool to see, and I'm glad you guys get something out of it. We are also going to hit up Domino's, and I'm going to try and show you guys the free Domino's method, and you guys can do it too. It doesn't work all the time, but we'll see if it works this time. So I just got done editing. It is 1 a.m. and we're at Domino's, so we are going to try and get a free pizza right now. Usually it works for me. I've never tried this store. Some stores don't work, some stores work. Throwing anything out, kind of just ask them if they're throwing anything out. If they aren't, they might give it to you, so let's go try. just wondering, are you guys throwing anything out tonight?
Like any waste?
Yeah, is there anything you guys throwing out?
Well, I don't know, like we don't have.
Oh, not right now? Oh, okay, thank you. Didn't work that time, man, then got nothing. All right, it didn't work that time. We're gonna try again. We're gonna try until it actually works, but now I'm gonna go to bed. All right, boys, we're snuggled in. Once again, it's a nice warm night. But yeah, tomorrow we got some stuff to do, so I'll see you guys then. Once again, thank you guys for watching the video. Have a great day and stay hustling. Peace.